How to get an invite code on Bluesky. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get invite codes for your Bluesky account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. As you guys can see here, Bluesky has officially released its public beta version where you are able to sign up to an account where you no longer need any of the registration code. But before this was released on February 2024, you used to need an invite code which allowed you to create an account. But after that update, you no longer need to do that. You can just click on sign up and then create an account. So there are different ways to create an account on Bluesky. The first one is pretty straightforward. You can just click on sign up, and then from here it will ask you for your hosting provider, which is Bluesky Social itself, or if you have any custom domains you can add that as well. Here you will have to provide your email address, you will have to create a password, and then from here you can select your date of birth, and finally click on next. Follow the on-screen instruction, verify your email, and your account will be created. Here you no longer need a verification link or an invite link to create an account. So that is it for this video guys. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.